Alright, I'm going to do a short little video this morning. Putting my nitrous bung. I don't know why my screen just went dark. Okay, there's a message on there. Anyway, putting the nitrous injector bung in my charge pipe. So let me turn this around and I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, I've got the hole drilled. It's a 9/16 hole. Here is the bung that goes on the inside. You can see I've got it sanded. My dogs is going nuts for some reason. I'm going to use this epoxy. This stuff works really well on a wide variety of stuff. I picked this up at AutoZone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in through here and hold it up. Then I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to reach down through there and grab it and take the wrench out. I'm going to mix up the epoxy and put just a wee bit around here where it'll go down in the, if you can see on the nut, come on focus. Yep. If you can see on the nut, there's a recess right there. And anyway, I'm going to fill the gap. But anyway, I'll try to show all of that. So let me get the phone set up and get everything ready and I'll record the process. Alright. You can see I kind of taped that where it would hold the bung. Let me put my dog out. They don't bark unless I got the camera on. Alright. We got that. Now we're going to put, this stuff is 1-to-1. Be way more than enough. I already had that out. I'm going to be sure you get this stuff mixed really, really well. And that'll be common sense. I'll leave that alone for the moment. And on the instructions it says mix it for a minute. I don't know if I ever do it a minute, I just always do it till I know it's good. I just broke the paddle wrist to a point. Almost had a boo-boo right off the get-go. I'll put a little extra to seal the nut. I don't ever plan on taking this back off. Plus, we don't want any air escaping the boost. I'll go get another wrench to tighten it. Put it right back. Should do it. All right, now what I'm gonna do is go get a rag and clean this up, and I'm gonna stand it up where the glue will dry, and that is it. Just using a little bit of lacquer thinner to clean the excess off. It'll look kind of neat, or neater. All right, and I'm gonna stand it up like this and just let it dry. But that's just a quick little video. It's the way you can do bungs in cold sides without welding. I can weld. I don't have a TIG welder for aluminum. I have to spool it, and that's just very aggravating. But as you can see, I have my sensor. What is that? For the boost on the leash. That's that. I glued this one in. That's for the intake air sensor. You know, we welded I didn't weld that, but we welded this, the charge pipe. I done it the first time, and I got a friend of mine, old Mikey, I got him to weld this stuff up for me the second time. And, you know, there's, a lot more ways to skin a cat than one. That light really messes with the camera, don't it? But, so there's that, just a quick little video. Somebody that don't have a welder. That bung had a nut on the bottom, so that helps. But they don't have to have nuts. You can do the hole. Just make sure your hole is really, as tight as you can get it on the part of the bung that slips down in the hole. And you can use panel bond, or this stuff I just showed you works really, really well. We use it for a wide variety of stuff here at the shop. And I'm sure there's other things, but I know those two work. Those other two bungs has been in there, one of them for 3 years, the other one for 2 years. It's seeing up to 20 pounds of boost right now, no problems. So there's that. I'm going to end this one here, and I'll catch you on the next one.